Hey guys, have you ever taken a really good look around the Are You My Cousin website? Well, if not, you're in the right place because today I am going to be your hostess and I'm going to take you on a tour of the Are You My Cousin website. Hey guys, this is Lisa with Are You My Cousin, where I strive to take the overwhelm out of your genealogy research. Now, before we head over to take a nice tour of the website, I'd love for it if you would hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the videos that I post here on the Are You My Cousin YouTube channel. Okay, we're going to get ready and head on over to the website of Are You My Cousin. I want to make sure that you are not missing any of the goodies that are over there and many of the free offerings that you could find there. All right, guys, see you over there. Welcome everyone to the Are You My Cousin website. I thought if perhaps you are new to the Are You My Cousin website, or if you have been reading my blog for quite a while, I thought I would give you a tour and show you around the website. In essence, play hostess to you, give you a bit of an open house to the website so that you can see what's there and make sure you are finding all the goodies that I have for you over at the website. So this is the homepage. When you type in the address, which is just my name, lisalisten.com, you will come to the homepage, as you can see here. So a couple things to show you at the front page. If you scroll down, this top part right here, these are all boxes. So if you are looking for a particular type of genealogy resource, or maybe you're looking for a particular type of research strategy, click on one of the boxes to find the category that you're researching. Maybe you're struggling more with organization. So if you click on organization, you'll see a listing of my posts that all deal with organization and so on. So that's a possibility for you to access and find what you're looking for. But if you scroll down, you'll see listings of different posts that I've written. This is the newest one. You'll always see the newest one at the top. And this one's the recent one that I did. You'll see, again, others that I've done. There's one I did on bookmarks in Chrome, things I did on Seeking Connection, the Importance of Family History. Actually, that was a guest post by Legacy Tree Genealogist. So you'll see a number of blog posts. If you find one that you want to look at, simply click on it, and you will go to the full blog post that you can read. So that's everything that you need. Now you're going to notice on my website and that I do have ads in my blog post. And to be upfront, I don't do that to drive anybody crazy, I promise. But I do that because it allows me to be able to continue to bring my readers, free content, because it does help to boost the budget here at Are You My Cousin. It helps to keep the lights on over here. And this does allow me to be able to provide a lot of free content to you guys. So that's why the ads are there. Again, I'm not doing it to drive anybody crazy, I promise. But they're there. So that's how to find the blog post. I will always have a fairly large photo somewhere close to the top. It's perfect for you guys. If you are interested and want to save that post, you can hover over it and you can pin it to Pinterest so that you can then come back to it again to look at it. So that is designed for you guys so that you have a good photograph, so that you pin it and then you'll know exactly what that went to, and you can easily find the blog post again. At the very top, again, there is this gray bar right here. You'll see. If you ever want to get back to the main page, you just click home and that will take you to the home page at Are You My Cousin. If you scroll along here, you'll see some other links to places. You can go to the About page, which tells you about me and how I got started in this genealogy. There is a form to contact me. So there's a form there you can contact me at. And my privacy and disclosure policies are there as well. This was again from earlier in February when I attended Roots Tech. This was a place that you could go and know how to find me at Roots Tech and what I was talking on and the various things that I was doing at Roots Tech, so that I could hopefully meet my readers and get a chance to see, and I did get to see many of you guys, and I appreciate that. Again, a blog index. This is very similar to these squares right up here at the top, but they're there for you to use. If you're interested in working with me, there are some various ways to work with me through consults and working on your projects. And then I also have the shop as well. So if you are interested in any of my ebooks, you can click through to the shop and you can see more about them there, learn more about them there, and purchase there if you are so interested. Lastly, guys, I want to show you something at the very bottom. Perhaps I saved the best for last. If you scroll all the way to the very bottom of the pages, and this can be the home page, you are going to see 3 signups here. Now, these are completely free. These are things designed for you to help you with your research. So there's one here on 5 things you can do if you cannot find your ancestors in the census record. This is one of my favorites. This is the Big Genie list, as I like to call it. And it is full of resources and databases, educational opportunities, anything that can help you move your research forward. And it's all free. These are my favorite resources that are in this. And so it is absolutely yours to take and read as you want. And then I have a free e-course over here too. It's a 4-part video series on preparing for genealogy research success. It is, as I said, it's video and it's through email. So when you sign up, it comes to your email, and you typically will get 1 video every couple of days until you get all 4. So that is there absolutely for you to enjoy as well. And I hope that you do. So, and you will see different signups for those periodically throughout the website. So you have other opportunities to sign up for those as well. Okay, guys, that's what is there for you guys. I hope you will take some time to explore the website. Oh, there's one more thing I wanted to show you here. If you come to the website and you know there's one specific topic that you're looking for, you can do a search. There's that little search bar right there. If you click that, you can type in your search term. And there is a second place to search. Because I wanted to make this super easy for you guys, there's a search box right there. Type in whatever it is you're interested in looking for, and you will be able to find it. So there you have it, guys. I hope you'll spend some time exploring the Are You My Cousin website. If you find it helpful, I would love it if you would share the website with your friends, your genealogy research friends. That helps us all out. And again, I'm here to help take that overwhelm out of your genealogy research, because I want you to be very confident in your research as you go forward. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that tour of the Are You My Cousin website. I truly enjoy writing over there and creating content that you guys enjoy and find helpful in your genealogy research. Okay, until next time, and we have our next video, I would love for it if you'd hit that subscribe button. You won't miss a thing here on the Are You My Cousin YouTube channel. And happy ancestor hunting today. Bye, guys.